And today we're gonna be making a video of my birds. So these are my birds right here. The green one is Hector. This one is Brenda. She's younger than Hector because he's like 5 or 4 months. She's like 3 or 4. But she's cuter than him. And they both love their little swing. Hector, don't you want to get on it? But sometimes they get scared because they don't know what we're doing. But Brenda always hogs the swing. He tends to bug her sometimes. Look. Then do this. Boop, 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 boop. But she still doesn't get mad. Unless she's on the swing. But if she gets really feisty like this, then wait. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. That was my mom. So yeah, these are my birds. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So hope you liked the video. Say bye. Bye. I mean bye, Hector. Yeah, bye. Okay, bye guys. Bye.